Hi y'all. Have you ever grilled anything using wooden skewers? I have, and they burned into two pieces. Today I am going to review Viking Creates Quiver Max Skewers Set. Hi y'all, Don here with Southern Backyard Cooking. If you're enjoying my video and would like to see plenty more, make sure you give me those big thumbs up and don't forget, ring that bell. That gets you notifications of all new videos I have coming out. Okay, so I got my Quiver Max set in. Let's see what it comes in. It actually comes in a box, just a shipping box. It comes in this brown case. Inside, we have a quiver, like bow and arrows, a quiver. It comes with a strap. It is made of genuine leather. And it says on the quiver, it says Gorilla Fish Barbecue, right here. So what it comes with, a handle. It is actually secured down. We have 6 skewers. These skewers are 22 inches long. They come with some plastic wrap protecting the wooden handles. That way you can grab it, it won't be hot. That's on this side, and there's little slots for especially the back 3 to go into. Then on the back side, we have a double 22-inch skewer. And again, it comes with some wrapping. Protect the wooden handle. And lastly, down here, it comes with they call this a fork knife. And let's get all the paper unwrapped. So on this, it has a sharp knife blade here. It has a little slot, and this is the fork part so you can stab things. And right here, it even has a bottle opener right here. So it's a really nice looking device. One of the things I really like about this type of system is, yeah, it's in a quiver, that this leather kind of protects it somewhat. More than anything, the skewers, they're 22 inches long. So in my case, when I'm cooking on the grill, they will go all the way from front to back. So the actual food is not actually on the rack of the grill, so it's going to go all the way across. And to me, that's a nice feature. A lot of times, even that's only maybe a ½ an inch, that gives it a little bit more room in there, so it's not quite as hot. It makes it easy to turn. Now, one of the things I do like, because it's not wooden, if you watch my video about cooking Mexican street corn, I used wooden skewers, and they burnt right into it. And you can see, I'm showing that video right now, and you can see what I'm talking about. They were 18-inch skewers, and they ended up coming out where they were at the end, maybe only sticking out of the corn and cob 2 or 3 inches. All right, so again, some of the things I like about these is it has a pointed end. It's not sharp, so it's dulled at the end, so it's not gonna actually prick you or anything, but it's flat. The nice thing about flat is when I put vegetables or meat on it, and I turn it, the vegetables and meat are not going to just stay in one place. They'll actually turn along with it. Again, the 22 inches is great because it goes across the whole grill, the rim of it. But it also means that we can put a lot of meat and vegetables on it. So we get a lot of good stuff for this. The problem with this is, in my opinion, is, yeah, this is a nice set. It runs $144. To me, that's a little expensive, and I think a lot of it is because of this leather quiver that it comes in. And that's all fine if you like this type stuff. I'm going to put a link to this set down below, but also I'm going to put a link to a couple of other just skewer sets that are a fifth or less of this price. You know, it's somewhere around $25, $30, $35. And you can get 6 to 10 of these. We get 6 of these in this set. Now, yeah, some people like the double skewer sets. You can get those separately also. The fork knife to me is something that's kind of particular to this. I'm not greatly impressed with it. One of the things to me, if I'm going to have a knife or something that I'm going to actually stab something and pick something up off the grill, I'm going to use a pair of tongs. I don't like piercing my meats when I pull them off the grill. And this fork knife, if you're going to use it that way, is going to do that. My best bet for today: to use these skewers or any other skewers effectively, please go in and watch my video featuring the Mexican street corn. I think you'll be highly impressed with these things or something similar to this. And until next time, folks, y'all have a great one.